Hello boys and girls. I'm going to show you the different parts to play this rotation on the different instruments, and we'll identify the different instruments. Right here, the first part that I'm going to teach you to play is for the bass instruments. Now here we have a bass xylophone. Here we have a bass xylophone. Over here we have a bass metallophone, and here's a bass metallophone. So we have two metallophones and two bass xylophones, if I see correctly here. And this one here, of course, is had some damage done to it. And what happens here is when people pick up the bars like this, they break the little plastic thing. Now I didn't realize this one was as bad as it is. I fixed this one, but see, I have to take out these, so I have to repair that. Now, for our assignment for this week on the instruments, if you're playing the instrument to your left, and how do we identify left? Okay, my left hand, right? So if I'm sitting here, then this is my instrument. Now, if you're on this instrument, it's okay because you're only going to play two notes, and the two notes are G and D. Okay, we're going to play this little exercise in 4/4, one measure of 4 beats. So if you're playing the xylophone, if you're playing the bass xylophone or the bass metallophone, you're going to play, see, 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. And actually we should go a little bit slower. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. So on beat 4, you're going to rest. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, rest. G, D, G, rest. G, D, G, rest. And of course you'll do the same thing on this instrument. Now I'm on the back side of this. I should be on the other side. But you'll play G, D, G, rest. G, D, G. And the same with the metallophone over here. Now I'm in the front of it. I should be behind the instrument. G, D, G, rest. G, D, G, rest. Okay. Now, if you look around the room, right there's, see, in this row we have alto metallophone, alto xylophone, alto xylophone. So what are you going to play on those instruments? On the altos, you're going to play, basses play G, D, G. You're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4. B, D, B, C, D, E, F sharp, B, D, 2, and 3. 1, 2, ready, and 1 and 2 and 3, rest. 1 and 2 and 3, rest. So you're going to play B, and I'll write this in better, C, D, E, and F sharp. How cool is that? Alrighty? So,
teachers, please send down the students for Student of the Week, only the ones that you submitted names for, to the center hallway. Thank you.
okay. So 1, this is for the altos. Ready, and B, C, D, E, F sharp, B, C, D, C, F sharp, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, B, C, D, E, F sharp, B, C, D, E, F sharp, Okay? And that's what you're going to play on the alto. So there's an alto, here's an alto, and up there's an alto, right? There, that's an alto. Now what are you going to play on the sopranos? Well, here's a soprano, there's a soprano, we have a soprano right here, and right here we have soprano and soprano. So what are you going to play on the sopranos? 1 and 2 and 3. B, C, D, E, F sharp. That's what the altos are. And on the sopranos, you're going to play let's do this. You're going to play E, D, C, B, A. Okay? So it'll be 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. E, D, C, B, A. E, D, C, B, A. E, B, C, D, A. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 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 So as the altos are going up in pitch, you guys are going down in pitch for the sopranos. E, D, C, B, A. And everybody's resting on beat 4. Okay. Now, soprano, soprano, soprano. What are we going to play on the Glockenspiel? What are we going to play on the Glockenspiel? Oh my goodness, what do we have here in the back of the room? We have another soprano. And what did we play on the soprano? Oh, this is a little easier to read these notes. E, D, C, B, A. 1 and 2 and 1. Now these, we have a Glockenspiel in this desk. And here, what are you going to play in here? You're going to play the same thing the bass instruments are playing. D, D, G, D, G, G, D, G, 2, ready, and G, D, G, and let it ring. G, D, G. Now one problem is I'm holding the camera with one hand and I'm playing with the other. I do want you to use 2 hands with your mallets. Alrighty? So we have the Glockenspiel, the soprano instruments, the metallophone instruments, the alto instruments, and the bass instruments. Okay. And I'll also, I will write the music up here on the board. Okay. The 4 parts. All right, boys and girls. Thank you very much. Enjoy playing the instruments.